Hello guys, welcome to the Chemistry is Easy. Okay, so this video is about percentage composition, how we can know the percentage composition, how we can measure it. Okay, as usual, we're gonna start with the easy questions to hard question. Okay, so for example, if we're gonna start with the percentage composition with one example like NaCl. Percentage of composition is how many percent is each element had in a whole of compound. Okay, so for example, how many percent of all of the compound is sodium and how many percent is chloride. Okay, percentage composition is same as how many percent each element have. Okay, so how we can measure it? If you really think, you can see this formula, which is really easy for measure this percentage composition. So molar mass of element, the formula is molar mass of element, which you want to know how many percentage composition it has, divide by molar mass of all of the compound, okay? So divide by all of the compound, times it to 100. Why times it to 100%? Because we want to know as a percentage, which I wrote down in here. So times it to 100%. For example, in here, I want to know how many percentage of all of the compound is Na. Molar mass of Na divided by molar mass of all of compound. And molar mass is the same as mass number of element. For example, for Na, if you look at the periodic table, it's about 23. Okay, so if I want to calculate it, I wrote like 100% times to molar mass of Na divided by molar mass of NaCl. Okay, so I can write molar mass of NaCl for be easier, molar mass of Na plus molar mass of Cl. Okay, so molar mass of, what is molar mass of Na? If you look at the periodic table, it's 23 divided by molar mass of Na, which is 23, molar mass of Cl, which is 35. Yeah, 35 plus 23. 35 plus 20 is 55. 55 plus 3, 58. Okay, 23 divided by 58 times 100 to be a percentage. And if you calculate it, the answer will be 39.6. Okay, 39.6 percentage. Okay, so we know 39% of all of this compound is sodium. So how many percentage is chloride? Don't measure it. We know 39, or we can say about 40% is Na. So how many percentage is Cl? All of the compound is 100. 100 minus 40 is 60. So 60% of all of compound is Cl. So most of the compound is made by chlorine, not sodium. Okay, so let's go to the further question, or we can say more harder question, but they are easy too. Okay, so my compound in this time is KNO3. I want to know, for example, how many percentage of all of it is oxygen? How many percentage of all of KNO3 is oxygen? Okay, first of all, write a formula. Molar mass of oxygen divided by molar mass of K plus molar mass of N plus molar mass of O3. Okay, in here, I must times it to 3. Why times oxygen to 3? Because I have a 3 oxygen here. So 3 oxygen must be measured, okay? because I have a 3 oxygen cause a percentage to be more higher, okay? So I must write the valence of it on here. So 3 times molar mass of oxygen, which is 16, molar mass of oxygen 16 times 3, which is 48, molar mass of potassium, which is 40, and molar mass of nitrogen, which is 14. Okay, so if I measure it, 16 divided by 48 divided by 48 plus 14, 88, 88 plus 14, 88 plus 10 is 98, 98 plus 4, 101, times it to 100 to be a percentage. And if you calculate it to know how many percentage oxygen is, it will be 47%. Sorry, I had a trouble, I think. 48 divided by 101 is equal to 0.100 percentage. Yeah, 47%. 0.52. Okay, so 47% of whole of it is O, and I can know, for example, this is about, we can say 48. We can write 48, and to know what percentage is K and N, we can write 100 minus 47.52 or 48. Okay, and it will be like 53. Yeah, 53, something like 52 point something, which is 53, near 53, okay? So, we know what is percentage composition and what the example is. Good luck, chemistry is really easier than you think. Just think it easy to the chemistry. Thank you for your listening.